Welcome to another episode of the Wild Scandinavian Way. My name is Bojsen and I'm a chef. This show is about finding the hottest spots for outdoor cooking, hunting and fishing the freshest products, cooking them up with friends in nature, bringing sustainability to life. This is the Wild Scandinavian Way. Gonna get something to eat today, guys. This time we're in Sweden. Yeah, we want to go south about 5-6 hours to Mörrum. That we're gonna try to see if we can catch some big salmon with the flies. That's Ben's specialty. So I got my hunting and now it's his time to get his fishing. Guys, for the next 2 days we're gonna be fishing in one of the most uniquest places in Sweden for fishing for salmon, really big salmon. If you get one, it's gonna be it's massive. I can't wait to get in there to see if we can find some nice fishies. If we're not gonna catch one, I hope I'm gonna get one with my Olympus, like some nice shot of the salmon jumping. So I'm so excited. We just picked up the license, we're ready to go fishing, but I couldn't stop with this. Look at this, all kinds of flies, amazing assortment what they have. And this one up here, yeah, this is the ones that we're gonna need for salmon fishing this time of the year. It's amazing, it's all handmade, so a lot of nice work here. But this is what we need, and now we go see if we can catch some salmon.
So it's midsummer in Sweden, which means it's quite warm up here. That's not the best condition for salmon fishing. What we need is the temperature to drop, but last night was raining, right? So we might be lucky. A couple of degrees difference actually in the river, which means the salmon are really territorial. They jump from pool to pool only if the temperature's right. So we want to get our fly right in when they're actually moving, so they aggressively go on it. They don't feed anymore when they're in the river, right? We want to really get them when they're moving. So let's do it. Fine art of salmon fishing, man. I'm excited.
See who gets the biggest one. Now Marvin showed me a little bit how to do it. So I'm gonna try by myself, yeah, see if I can catch a fish. So I took off, let Ben be at his place. It's so beautiful here. Guys, even if I don't catch anything, it doesn't matter. Just seeing this and being here in this really special place is an honor. It's about being patient. And it's about passion, that's for sure. I haven't been lucky. Let's go back to see what Ben has been doing and if he has caught anything. So, so beautiful here. Gosh. So guys, on the way back, Ben called me. He finally caught one. So it's exciting, but it seems like we gonna have something to dinner tonight.
Oh,
It's
look at
gonna
this.
be so cool, man.
Oh, look at this!
No way!
Whoa!
That's
What
a
a beauty.
beauty!
Yeah! Absolutely amazing.
Look at this fish!
God, Ben, man.
Oh, let me come up to you. I'll show you. Oh. Oh.
What a
Here we
beauty.
go. What a beauty, eh? I'd say probably around about 7 or maybe 8 kilos, something like that. Look at this beauty. This is the small one. Let's get the mother.
The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. I left the pages in my schedule, but they're falling hard. Find me on your way out, I'll be right here. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars.
So guys, enough of fishing. Yeah, we caught one. That's all what we need. That's gonna be perfect for dinner later. But until then, I'm going surfing. Waves? Not on a wave. On an electro jet surfboard. I can't wait. It's a surprise that Ben organized for me. So let's get into the action. What an amazing sessions, guys. Everybody is here from the place we stay, the guys with the surfboards, and I'm ready to cook up the salmon. We're gonna make some different stuff over this little fire over here. When I do a fire and don't have any briquettes, I don't like briquettes, you can taste it later. I just put some raps oil and you just dip it in there. And this is the best thing, you can actually turn on a nice fire and let it roll really slow. Ben is already cutting up the salmon, so yeah, let's get started.
Nice.
It's gonna be good. We got those ones here. One of the guys brought from the river he caught. We're gonna cook him in beer with potatoes, some onions. We're gonna put garlic, carrots and tomatoes and cook it all up, and then a slice of honey on the end of it. That's gonna be so good. A bit of beer, wine. And then we're gonna fill it up with beer. Put in some ginger, some lime. Now we're gonna squeeze also garlic.
Okay, Brian, the salmon's ready.
Perfect.
Cut it all up.
I got some fresh stinging nettles from the nature. Just gonna fire them up a little bit to make the stitchers going away, and then you can eat it pretty fine. We're gonna use that also. And it grows everywhere in the nature. It's for free. And that's such a nice flavor and it's so healthy. So all of this. Just a little bit of my chili, and I'm gonna put some soya sauce on it. I just need to see where I put it. And I'm gonna put some honey on top of it. It's gonna be the topping on the salmon. See that? So we get the flavor of the ginger, the lime, the garlic is fresh, soya sauce for the saltiness. Oh, that's so good. So what I do now is my spade. Just put a little bit of oil on top of it. So what we're gonna do is, because the salmon is sometimes it's a little bit thicker in the middle, we're gonna put the slices in it and get the flavor all the way through. It's the same size, all of it. And then it goes on to the spade. Now it's gonna squeeze all of this flavor all in between, in the middle. This is what makes this taste amazing at the end. That's the way it goes on the fire. tomatoes, even the small ones. Yeah, only 10 years old. He can fly fish like shit, you know. He catches the big ones. Seems like for the people up here is nothing special. They get born with it. This little fella here have been crawling all over the table and hiding on the lemons, hiding on the tomatoes. I will release him. I will put him back in. Such a fighter. Have a nice life. Just as a finish, it's a little bit of salt on top of it. Now we're ready, guys. What an amazing trip. I took my baby on a really nice road trip with my friends through Sweden. We've been hunting, we've been fishing, we've been surfing, and now just been cooking right now. And believe me one thing, there were not many hours of sleep, but it had been a blast. Actually, it can't get any better.